What if your next Brazilian wax didn't leave you screaming or scarred? Welcome to MTH Health, your trusted guide to smart self-care and wellness. Let's be honest, Brazilian waxes can go very, very wrong. We've heard of skin tearing, allergic reactions, and even infections. Some people walk out of the salon feeling worse than they went in. And here's the kicker: most of these disasters are totally avoidable. Today, we'll show you how to get salon smooth skin safely, every time. Mistake 1: using the wrong type of wax for your skin. Mistake 2: poor hygiene, whether at home or in a salon. Mistake 3: skipping aftercare completely. Each of these can cause irritation, infection, or even scarring. Exfoliate 24 hours before waxing to prevent ingrown hairs. Use hard wax for Brazilian areas. It's gentler and less sticky. Always do a patch test, even with products you've used before. After waxing, apply a soothing oil like aloe vera or tea tree. And don't schedule the wax right before a big event. Your skin needs time to heal. Heat the wax to the correct temperature, not too hot. Apply the wax in the direction of hair growth. Pull it off quickly in the opposite direction. Clean your tools before and after each use. And wear loose, breathable clothing for the next 24 hours. Professional salons are safer if the technician is certified and the equipment is clean. At-home waxing is cheaper and convenient, but it requires good hygiene and careful technique. If you're a beginner, start at a salon and watch closely before trying it yourself. Here's your final checklist for perfect Brazilian waxing results. Exfoliate the day before. Use the right wax for your skin. Always patch test. Don't wax during your period, it increases sensitivity. Moisturize after waxing, and avoid heat, friction, or tight clothes. Stick to these, and your wax will go from nightmare to dream. Avoid the horror stories. Get the smooth results you deserve. Like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe to MTH Health for weekly wellness tips. And tap the bell to glow up without the pain.